Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Defend the Castle by Admired Hummingbird. Looking at the code, we can see some switch to costume blocks, show dialogue blocks, broadcast blocks, and create clone blocks. Defend your castle against orcs as you upgrade your weapons. Next we have Week 4, My Sports Moment by Chem. In this late submission, we can see Chemcat's code, we can see some repeat blocks, forever blocks, play sound blocks, and when background switches to blocks. Check out this awesome animation of cats and kayaking. Next we have Top-Down Arcade Game by Smart Supernova. Looking at the code, we see some if-then blocks, when I receive blocks, clone startup blocks, and set layer blocks too. Pick your dragon and shoot your enemies out of the sky. Last but not least, we have Squirmy Snake HTML Game by Tyler. In this text coding project, play the classic snake game. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time.